and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and today's video is going to be a quick tidy up. We are here in my kitchen now, and we are just going to be tidying up my lower level area, just the kitchen and the dining room and our living room. And so I am just getting started here. We had just finished breakfast a little while ago, and so I had to unload the dishwasher from the night before. So that is what I'm doing, and then I'm going to get it loaded again, and then just start wiping down all of the cabinets, or no, not the cabinets, the counters, and then I'll move on.
How can I believe you when everything is see-through, see-through? Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through, see-through? You see through, gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news.
I just have a few dishes that I'm going to be washing by hand here, and I was rinsing out just a ranch container so I could put it in the recycling. And then once I'm finished with this, I'll just give the sink a nice clean and just continue on here in the kitchen.
Could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through, see-through? Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. Yeah. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it? When everything is see-through, see-through. Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't.
So this little area in my kitchen always seems to get kind of cluttered. It is where I have my bread box and like a cookie jar and just a bunch of other things. And right now it is really cluttered just because Easter was just here, and I have a bunch of their Easter baskets filled with candy still that they are still really into and like picking candy out of. And so I'm just going to do my best to kind of declutter it here a bit and then continue wiping things down. And then we're going to move on over here to this area, and again, like a catch-all area. So we'll just keep decluttering and wiping down all the areas until everything looks nice and clean. So I knew my son was standing right by my camera when I was filming, but I didn't look at the actual, I didn't look at my camera to see how much of him was actually there. So sorry, you can totally see a little head right here just bobbing around. So it's kind of funny, while he was standing there and you could see his head, he was eating a muffin. And look at all these crumbs that he left from the muffin. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are just hopping on over into my living room here, and I just need to tidy up. I had a lot of my kids' older clothes I was going through for a friend to give some away. So I just need to get those bins back downstairs into our basement and just tidy up in here and do some vacuuming and some sweeping. Okay, this is the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed watching this, please consider watching another one, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good day. Bye.